All right. Now you're going to flip to page 77 on your packet. Today's reading story is called My New Shelf. Let's begin. Marie is making a new shelf to put nice things on. Where do you put your things? I put my things in a shelf. Emotion dictionary. Annoyed. Annoyed means a little angry or upset. I get annoyed by loud yelling. Sore. Sore means painful. My arm is sore from bowling. Stress. Stressed means pressured. I am feeling stressed about my job. Satisfied. Satisfied means feeling pleased about a success. I am satisfied with the birdhouse I made. Let's move on. I have a problem with my shelf. I am trying to build a little shelf. I have been following the directions and it was going great. Now there is a problem. The bottom of the shelf is too big and I have to cut it to make it fit. How do I feel? Excited? Proud? Or annoyed? I'll help you with this one. She feels annoyed. Let's continue. Ouch! This morning I hit my thumb with a hammer. Oof. I wrapped it up to protect it. It is harder to make the shelf when I can't use all my fingers. I keep banging my thumb on the table. Even with the bandage on, it hurts. So, how do I feel? Satisfied, sore, or surprised? Circle your answer. If you circled sore, you're correct. Let's move on. Too much to do. The shelf is finally done, and I am ready to paint it. It took a lot longer than I thought it would. It is already past 4:30 in the afternoon. I want to finish it before my granddaughter gets here. But I have to make dinner too, and it is very late. How do I feel? Proud? Happy? Or stressed? Take your pick. If you chose stressed, you are correct. Job well done. Ted is making dinner so I can keep working. I have time to paint, and the paint has time to dry. Now I have a place for my granddaughter's soccer trophy. She will be so happy to see it there. I think the shelf looks beautiful. How do I feel? Satisfied? Annoyed? Or startled? Take your pick. If you chose satisfied, you are correct. Let's continue. Connect the face to the feeling. In this activity, you will connect every face to each feeling with a line. Upon completion, move on to the next activity. What do you think? Why did Marie feel stressed looking at the clock? Write down your answer. Next question. Two of these people feel stressed. Can you find them? If so, circle them. Did you find them? All right, now. Upon completion with these two activities, make sure you take a picture and upload them to Teams. Any questions? Don't hesitate to give me a call or a message. Thank you.